안녕하세요. 저는 메디입니다. aka 면지입니다. Hi guys, I'm back after a long while. I just can't do my videos right now like regularly. I did try to do my best, but like there is so many things that happened like last year. I couldn't comprehend it myself. So many things happened, and it was just overwhelming and a lot. And now we are already in a new year. It's a new decade that is starting now. It's just so unbelievable to me. I didn't even realize at first that it is also a new decade, that like the whole tens have passed, and I've been through the whole tens, and now I'm in the 20s. It's just unbelievable. It's just so unbelievable that it is that the past few years, like, they've been flying by me. It was so fast, and at the same time so long how the years went away. And yeah, I can't believe it where I am right now. So but I am feeling good. I am on a good point right now. I am doing my best with what I have, and yeah, I'm step by step going on. And today I am gonna do an unboxing video once again for you guys, because I got my season's greeting 2020 from BTS. And yeah, before I'm starting with that, I really, I thought about it a lot, if I should talk about it or not. Many things happened last year, and I know, and this year as well, and it's just started, and it's like really difficult to talk about it, because I didn't really want it to have anything to do with this, but at the same time I can't just stand by. I can't help it. So first of all, last year it was rough for me when Sully and Guada passed away in 2 months. Like in a time from 2 months, they just both passed away, one after another, in such a short time. And I was just so shocked. I was honestly very shocked, and I was able to understand them, because it's really difficult to go through your life. I mean, yes, they did choose to be in public, but like, it doesn't mean that any people in this world has to like go after them and like make it hard for them, because they didn't even do anything, And even if they did something, that's just not a thing that you should do. I just hope that the Korean entertainment industry is taking more care about this matter, that they finally got this as a signal to take care of this, that they look out for their artists, and that they will take care of their mental issues as well, like that they give them some help. That would be a good thing to do. And to all of you guys out there, I mean, I'm speaking to the ones who did what they did, not to the ones who didn't. So I don't mean everyone out there who's watching this. It's just that I wanted to tell those people who did such horrible bullying, cyberbullying. Honestly, you really should sit back and think about what you do. Why are you doing this, and what does that do? And does it help you? Does it really help you? Does it make you happy to do that, and with such an outcome? I'm not saying that's your fault then, but like, that's the outcome of it, from that part of it, and from a lot of other people coming up to them as well and bullying them, so in the internet as well as in reality. They really had a tough time, and they are not the only ones. And more artists are getting targeted, especially after this cases. I can only tell you guys, please think about what you're doing. to those of you who really are a part of this, who did what you did, I really am urging you to think about it. Sit back, think about your doings. Think about it if it does make you happy or not. And think about the fact, what would you do if you were in their places? Would you be happy? Would you like it if other people are gonna come after you and like hurting you with such, I don't know how to describe that, but with such hard and difficult words? Because you know, you have to think about it. Words are like one of the most hurtful things in this world. Words can be so hurting, and it's not easy to take. You just can't take them back. So please think about it. That's just all I want. Think about what you do. And I hope that some of you out there will change yourself. Not only for those artists, because those artists are only human beings. Don't forget that. Keep in mind, they are human beings as well. So treat them with respect, but also treat the people around you with respect. So I hope you will think about it and it will change you. For those other people around you, for those artists that are also human beings, and for yourself. Do it for yourself as well, because that will not help you being like that. It will just make it worse for yourself as well. So please think about it. Also with the case of like BTS as well, they get so many negative things as well right now from, I don't know from who, but like from people who, I don't know, have the energy to do that. I don't know why you would give out all your energy for just doing these things, like telling them hating and hurtful words and painful words. Why don't you just use your energy for like your own life, or for the groups that you stand, that you like, that they will be growing more up and grow even more, so that they will be on top as well. I don't know why you do like throw away the whole energy that you have for something like this. So once again, for the last time, please think about what you do. Sit back, think about yourself, think about what you do, and think what that is doing to yourself as well. Not only to that target that you choose, but also to yourself. And also make it better. If you can see that there are some faults that you're doing, make it better. It's okay to have faults and mistakes, but like make it better for the others, but also most importantly for yourself, so that you can be happy entirely with yourself and can love yourself. As BTS is saying that as well. That is also my message. Aside from BTS, this is also my message, because I had rough times as well. I had to learn to love myself as well. So, and I'm still learning to love myself. It's a long way to learn to love yourself. It will never end. It's just for our whole life, until we will be dead. Until we will be dead. That is a lifelong journey to love ourselves, to find ourselves and love ourselves. So please do something good for yourself and for others as well, and just be respectful. You don't have to love everyone. You can't love everyone or like everyone, but just respect each other. That's all I'm gonna say. Thank you for listening to this. And now back to the things that I really wanted to do, which is the unboxing, to a bit more happier thing. And so let's go with this. Here it is. Today I had to pick it up, but now I have it and I will open up my package. I have no idea how to open it though. It's kind of difficult. Oh, have you guys seen it? I just saw like BTS just announced their new album, and I was just so shocked. Like in a positive way, I was very shocked. It was so, wow. It's finally out, and to be honest, I really thought they would put it up everywhere, because there were a lot of things happening. So yeah, that's what I thought. And have you guys watched the last Voyage season 4 episode, by the way? I haven't watched the last Voyage season 4 episode. It was so good. You guys, look at that! I got a mouse pad. Look at that! It's just such a beautiful mouse pad. Oh, it's so huge! Look at that! Isn't it beautiful and huge? Like, it's so gorgeous. Wow! I love how beautiful made all the DVDs and like albums are in Korea. It's just so beautiful. Let's open it. Ooh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's gorgeous. Honestly, I didn't thought it would be this huge. Oh, it's a surprise. Wow. 정말 예쁘다. Wow. How am I supposed to open this without, like, you know, breaking this? I don't want to break this. Oh, I got it. Oh, 예쁘다, 예쁘다. Oh, this is so beautiful. Like, wow. I mean, look at that. I didn't even know what was really included in it because I forgot it. I pre-ordered it and I forgot it, honestly. I didn't saw it again, so I'm surprised. Look at it. It's just so beautiful, this notebook. I'm usually not the type of like glittery things, but this one is really beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful made. Oh, look at that. Like with calendar and like, and you can like put in some notes, and it says the brightest moments. And oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, it says their names as well on some pages, like here. It's not focusing well, but it just says RM, Jimin. It's so beautiful. I can't even. Oh, here are as well greeting messages from them. And here's a picture of them. Brightest moment. It looks honestly very beautiful. I love this look on Namjoon. I love this look on him. Honestly, Namjoon, as I already said in the last video that I did, he is like, sorry, he's coming for me, and okay, my heart, my bias, you know, like right after my bias work in Namjoon, and then him, so beautiful, my bias. Gosh, how can be someone so gorgeous? That's what I've been thinking the last few days about all of the members. How can they be so gorgeous? And I honestly love the mullet on Jin. I love it. I can't even express this, but oh, I love it. Oh, look at them. Aren't they beautiful? Aren't they beautiful? These are angels. Chim! Beautiful mochi Chim. And Yomi. My other bias. Oh, Heeey's beautiful, seriously. They are all. But anyways, I watched season 4 when we watched the last episode, like, and I got so emotional at the ending. The most beautiful magnet. I mean, there are a lot of beautiful magnets, don't get me wrong. Because of what they all said, so you guys, if you didn't watch it yet, you should watch it. It's just so precious. It showed again how much they love each other. It's just how important they are to each other. It's just so beautiful. So, oh, Namjoon. I love these pictures. They are beautiful. I mean, there were so many times when I really, you gotta be kidding me, why would you put both of my bios on one page next to each other? Like, why? I love them. Again, Taeyeon and Yoongi. I love this curly long hair on Jungkook. It's beautiful. But I love every hairstyle of them. There wasn't any hairstyle that I didn't like. Okay, yeah, maybe the one that Namjoon had and when they debuted it, but that's all. A beautiful gooks. Time flew by so fast. So I can't believe that. Oh, look at that. The 94s. Aren't they beautiful? Man, why are my biases together? And what way handsome? Why? It's my overkill. Busan boys for the win. But honestly, when I see these pictures, they are already gorgeous. The way how they produce these pictures, how they make them, it's just so high quality and it's so beautiful. But honestly, them in real life, it doesn't make them justice because they are even more beautiful in these pictures than they are already in these pictures. Really, they are for real, like, even more beautiful and gorgeous and handsome than these pictures, than they are in these pictures already. It's insane. Like the biggest like the biggest impression that I had at the Love Yourself concert was when I saw Joongi. Like, he was so close to me, and Joongi, he was like glowing. He was so beautiful. And here's the DVD. Oh my god! This is so beautiful. And I love that there's so many things aside the DVD with it. I just love that. Oh my god. Oh. I'm digging this. Look at him. Namjoon's. Or I'm gonna put this up somewhere in my apartment. I don't know where. Yeah, but I wanna do this. Can I just say I love Yoongi's smile, and I can't get enough of his smile. For real, I can't get enough of his smile. Like, it's the most beautiful thing for me. This is so cute. Oh, I love Jin's handwriting. It's beautiful. I will be able to read this very good. 새해 복 많이 받으세요. 새해면 모든 일이 잘 되시기. 되시기? I'm sorry if I pronounced something wrong. I'm still in the process of learning. No, don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Okay. Like, beautiful. This is so beautiful. Oh, I love Jimin's handwriting. That is, wow. 예쁘다. Oh. It took too much with me. Can I just say that I love this man forever and ever and ever, because he's my bias, my angel, my everything. But all of them are my angels and I love all of them equally. But he's like giving me, I don't know, my heart is tripping tripping with love. It's just so much love that I have for those 7 sweeties. Oh, that's so cute. So very, very cute. And beautiful. Okay, I'm not gonna put this back in the case because they're just so beautiful and I don't want to get them any scratches. Okay, so I got Jungkook. Look at him. It's like a changing picture though. Wait a second. Let me get him out of this. I love it. He's so beautiful with his curly hair. I can't stop saying that. That curly hair is beautiful in him. Beautiful. I'm trying to get that out. Whew. Okay, got it. Don't stick on Jungkook. Saved. I saved it. So, bias up. The first thing that I see are my bias. Like, what? I really didn't expect that there would be so many things, because compared to my memories, I think 2016 or 2015 maybe, there wasn't that many things in it. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Thumbs in again. Youngest. I loved seeing Youngie being this happy the whole time in Bon Voyage. It just did warm my heart so much, and I just love how he and all the members sang together while driving the car. It just made my day. Hobby, hoba hoba. Mochi sexy. How Junnie would say. Bias. JK. How he would say it. I can't do it the same way he does, but like, I love it when he does. JK. Yeah. Was it in here? Was it? No. I'm getting confused over the packages. Oh, there it is. Yeah. I want to save them. I have problems to take care of this. I got it. So the next thing is this cute thing. they always try the best and like do so much things like this, as well as so many other things. How can you not love them? Honestly, how can you not? It's just, they are the cutest. So first of all, I have these cute stickers of them. Oh, I love this. Oh, it's so cute. The ones with like Taegi here and like Ho Min Guk is also so adorable. I saw clips of that and I was just already gone for it. And what is this? A little envelope. Oh, I got like tiny pictures of them as well. Like Namjoon's, Youngkook's. 진진자라 진진자라. 우리 희망. 우리 모찌 섹시. 우리 태태. 그리고 우리 막내. I mean, he's younger than me, so he is my damseng. 막내. Beautiful 막내. Ooh, and the calendar. Yes. Ooh, I love this so much. Ah, I'm so happy. I was a bit angry at first because I had to pick it up. But then I just thought, it's okay. It's a good thing for a good thing. So I'm gonna pick that up. And I mean, it's probably okay that I had to pick it up. The struggle is real to open things like that, to not, while you're trying to not get any scratch on it, any scratches on it. Ooh. Slowly. Oh, that reminds me kind of the way how like Jimin, I can never forget that and I love it. I love it so much how Jimin is saying lovely. Lovely. I just can't imitate that. And then there's Jungkook with flower. I just can't imitate them, but like it just sounds so amazing in their own way. It's just so unique and I love it. I made it. There it is. Kim Seok-jin, well, I handsome. 우리 worldwide handsom입니다. I will like right away put this on my desk. Man, this is so beautiful. I mean, look at Gookie. Googa, he's beautiful. This man is bias wrecking me the whole time. I mean, you know, Taegi are my biases, but like all of the other members are my bias wreckers, and he is wrecking me all the freaking time. Like the most. And it's just so. Y'all are wrecking me too, but like Juni, he gets me the whole time right now. It's just his pop. Why do you do this to me? So many Taegi. So much Taegi, many Taegi. Wow, I can't even speak English anymore because of them. It's just so holiness. So wholesome. I honestly love these outfits. Oh, that is just adorable. How Taeyong is laying on Namjoon's shoulder. That reminds me of one of the episodes in BTS where Taeyong asked Namjoon if it was possible to hold his hands. At first he asked him if he could hug him while sleeping, but then Namjoon refused. But then Namjoon refused, and he asked him if it's then instead okay to hold his hand, and it was just so cute. My heart melted away. Once again, how can it be 7 men to be this gorgeous? Like, how is that even possible? Like, how? Look at them. They're so beautiful. Namjoon for the win. Oh, they even put in they wrote down some new moves, and the birthdays are as well in this. It's so cute. Okay, for the rest of the pictures, I will not show you because you should get your own surprise with it and enjoy the calendar for yourself as well if you go and buy this. So I will not show you everything entirely. I showed you almost everything, but this I will keep it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you also gonna go through this whole video, and I hope you will have fun with me. I am trying my best to make it as good as possible, but I also want to talk about important things. That's why my videos can be a bit long, but I really wanted to talk about it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. See you guys. Have a nice day or night. Bye bye. 안녕.